Soy Tuna Mayo Onigiri is a rice bowl made with soy-flavored rice and filled with a mixture of canned tuna and mayonnaise. This is one of the most popular onigiri rice bowls sold at convenience stores and onigiri shops in Japan. Full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. In a bowl, add canned tuna, salt, and mayonnaise, and mix well. Japanese-style mayonnaise works the best, but if you don't have it, just use regular mayo with a bit of lemon juice and salt. Season the steamed rice with mentsuyu sauce. Mentsuyu is a multi-purpose dipping sauce mainly used for noodles, and you can find it at Japanese markets, or follow our mentsuyu recipe to make at home. Wet hands with water and take about 3/4 cup rice in one hand, press and form into a round shape, and make a well in the middle of the rice ball and put in tuna mixture. And close the well with a 1/4 cup rice and reshape. If it's hard to shape onigiri by hand, use plastic wrap to avoid the rice to fall apart. Wrap with a sheet of roasted nori seaweed if you want. This onigiri is so flavorful with rich, savory taste from soy sauce with a hint of sweetness. Hope you give this a try.
美味しい。美味しいね。